Hello, 7th grade tuba players. First, let's make sure, have you got the right sheet of paper? Second of all, go in there, you may want to, because there's a lot of D naturals, you may want to go ahead and mark your D flats, because when we see a lot of D naturals, we kind of forget about the D flats, and we don't want to practice wrong notes. If you're not used to playing a lot of A flats, you may want to mark those as well. Go ahead and set yourself up for success. The judges are not going to be looking at your sheet of paper. They're just listening to you. So whatever you do to make sure you play the right notes, great, okay? They're not looking at your paper. Do what you got to do to make sure it's right and the right sounds come out. So I'm going to suggest that you play an A flat concert scale 2 octaves. Reason being, your highest note is the E flat up in the staff. So we want to play past that. So when we get nervous, get in front of the judges, we don't have a problem getting past that. Okay? So I'm going to play that A flat concert scale 2 octaves. You can join me. Here we go. Okay, once you've got that, you know what a major scale sounds like. Make sure we're getting those notes right, okay? And if you can't get all the way up to the very top notes, get past that E flat. Get up to the F, try to get to the G. I mean, how do brass players get to where they can play those super high notes and keep on going higher and higher and higher? They keep playing scales higher and higher and higher. That's really all it is. You just keep practicing to get higher. So now to the meat and potatoes. I'm going to start a metronome, and we're going to play this piece. And I hope you can play along, and I hope this helps. Be sure you are counting 1, 2, 3 in your head before you start. Don't just start. We got to have the tempo and be ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. To be honest with you, if I did not have a metronome going, if I start the last 2 bars, there's a pickup after that E flat with an accent on it. It starts on a G. I might even slow that down a little bit just to make it a little more artsy. So let's listen to how it sounds that way. 1, 2, 3, 1. Just do something a little artistic there, and good luck. Happy practicing.